session, we had seen about what is degree, their types, and what is isomorphic graphs. Now, in today's session, we will start what is incidence matrix and what is adjacency matrix. Now, we will study about what is incidence matrix. Let G be a graph with n vertices and m edges and without loops. The incidence matrix A of G is an n by m matrix. A equals to Aij, where n rows corresponds to n vertices and m columns corresponds to m edges, such that if Aij equals to 1, jth edge m is incident on the ith vertex, then Aij equals to 1, otherwise Aij equals to 0. We will properly understand the incidence matrix by the given example. Here this graph is given and we have to find what is incidence matrix. We understood the definition that if the edge is incident on the vertex, then and only then we can write as 1, otherwise 0. Therefore, we will put the values as in the vertex A. Here edge E1 is incident, therefore we will write here 1. Edge A2 is also incident on vertex A, therefore write here 1. Edge E3 is not incident on vertex A, therefore we will write here 0. Edge E4 is also not, therefore 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now to the vertex B, here E1, E3 and E5, E1, E3, E5, E8, E7 are the edges incident on vertex B, therefore we will write 1 in their situations. Here vertex B, E1 1, E3 1, E5 1, E8 1, E7 1, and for others 0. Now for vertex C has incident the edges E4, E5, therefore we will write to the position of E4 1, E5 1 and other 0. Now vertex D, E2, E4, E6, E3, E2, E4, E6, E3 and others 0. For vertex E, here E6 only, 1, others are 0. Now vertex F, E7 and E8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So guys, this is our incidence matrix for the given graph. Thank you. Now we are going to discuss what is adjacency matrix. For the understanding of adjacency matrix, first we have to know about what is parallel edges. Here two vertices are same, but their edges also connect to the both vertices. Here E1 is also connect to AB vertices and E2 is also connect to AB vertex. So these edges are called as parallel edges.
We will see what is adjacency matrix. Let W be a graph having n number of vertices and n number of edges, and this graph is without parallel edges. The adjacency matrix of W is an n by n symmetric matrix, binary matrix. X equals to Aij, defined such that Aij equals to 1 if both the vertices are belongs to single edge, or otherwise Aij equals to 0.
Understand the adjacency matrix by the given graph. In the definition, we had seen that the required adjacency matrix should be of symmetric binary type, that is a square matrix, or we can say that the matrix having diagonal elements. Now let's see the graph and we can create a adjacency matrix. Now by the definition we had seen that if edge is present between two vertices, then we will write 1, otherwise 0. Let's write. Here vertex v1 v1 has no edge, therefore we will write 0. Vertex v1 v2, in between edge e7 is present, therefore we will write here 1. In vertex v1 v3 no edge is present, therefore we will write 0. In vertex v1 v4 no edge is present, therefore we will write 0. In vertex v1 v5 edge is present, therefore we will write here 1. In vertex v1 v6 edge e8 is present, therefore we will write here 1. Same to the vertex v2. v2 0, no. Here v2 v1 has one edge, therefore we will write here 1. v2 0, v2 v3 is here, no edge is present, therefore we will write 0. v2 v4 has even edge, therefore we will write 1. v2 v5 edge e6 is present, therefore write 1. v2 v6 no edge is present, 0. Now for vertex v3 v1 0, v3 v2 0, v3 0, v3 v4 has one edge, therefore 1. v3 v5 no edge, therefore 0. v3 v6 no edge, therefore 0. v4 v1 no edge, 0. v4 v2 has one edge, therefore 1. v4 v3 has one edge, 1. v4 0. v4 v5 1. v4 v6 1. Now for vertex v5 v1 1. v5 v2 1. v5 v3 no edge, therefore 0. v5 v4 1. v5 0. v5 v6 no edge, therefore 1, no, 0. v6 v1 1. v6 v2 0. v6 v3 0. v6 v4 1. v6 v5 0. v6 0. Here diagonal is same. In this matrix we had created diagonal elements, therefore we say that adjacency matrix can be also called as symmetric binary matrix, and this is the adjacency matrix of the given graph. Thank you.